Hello everybody, it's Massimo from Onikanabo. I'm the CEO of this company and the product designer as well on KeyHydra. We're covering the new shortcut system we made for KeyHydra Next. We rebuilt it from scratch. We think it's really useful and really powerful. Let's see what do we have in store now. So before, when you were creating a shortcut, you had to choose a template and you were stuck inside that template. So now our users can create a single tap shortcut, start from a single tap shortcut, and based on their need, they can complexify the shortcut. So basically you start from a single tap shortcut, you add double tap on it, you add triple tap, quadra tap, and then if you want the same key to become context sensitive, you can. Here I will create a function, and as you can see, it's now simpler. We just have single tap, multi-tap, and context sensitive. Most of the users do use multi-tap function and context sensitive function, and that's it. So I will start with a single tap function. I will call it primitive. Okay, it's on Y. So I right click on the key and edit function. So then here I can add a function. So I will be adding KeyHydra category object creation, and we will create a grid size plane, for example. If you click at modifier case, you can add some context sensitive behavior to this key. So for now I will stay in override mode and I create single tap, and if I press the Y key it will create a plane. So let's do this. So I press the Y key and I have a plane. Okay, so now I be complexifying a bit this shortcut and show you the new system. So you just click here, double tap, then you can copy, paste, and I want a box. Create grid size box. Okay, so now if I double tap the Y key, I will have a box. So let's double tap and I have a box. Okay, now let's say I want on my Y key a new behavior when I'm in Editable Poly. So what do? I can add here Editable Poly. So I will say if I'm in Polygon Mode and I have one face selected as a single tap, I'll be, let's say, extruding. So menu I, whole command, extrude poly. So save. So for now the context is I don't have any object, I'm in override mode. So if I press now the Y key, I will have a plane. If I double tap the Y key, I will have a box. So I double tap the Y key, and what I do now is I will change the context. So I turn my box to Editable Poly, and now I can see that in KeyHydra we set Polygon Mode. If one polygon selected, I tap the Y key and I will extrude the poly. So let's do this. I'm now in Editable Poly with face mode activated, and I select one poly and I press the Y key, and now as you can see here the extrude mode is active. Okay, So this is perfect. Let's say now that I want to, in vertex mode, hop, I want if two vertices are selected, I will chamfer, for example. So two vertices selected, single tap, I want menu I, all command, chamfer, save, and I will now select two vertices, and I will press Y key, and as you can see now, I have changed the action on the Y key based on the context and the sub-element selection. But if now I come back to selecting just one poly and press the Y key, I'm in poly and I still have the extrude. And if I deselect everything, now I will create a plane if I single tap. And if I double tap, I will create the box. So everything is on the Y key currently. Okay? So let's say now that I want to change the behavior of this when I'm in Unwrap UVW. So I will be adding Unwrap UVW here. Be adding edge mode, and we will stitch with the edge mode. So add one selected, single tap, NUI, all command, stitch, stitch selected. So I open the Unwrap UVW window, and I'll be doing a planar. Done. And now if I select one edge and press the Y key, it's stitched. So let's now say, when I'm in object mode, I want another behavior once again, still on the Y key. So I'll be adding an object mode, and this time if I have one object selected and I single tap, I want to mirror. So let's say main UI, all command, mirror, mirror, like this. So I have one object selected. If I press the Y key now, I should mirror my object, and the mirror thing just opened. So yeah, this new system took us a lot of time, but it's really powerful, and the power will be increasing more and more and more, because we do have really nice things in our wings, and I hope you will like it. Next video we'll be covering laser cut new feature, and that will be for another day. Thanks for watching, have a great day, and bye.